Now, what would you do with nature? Would you look at it all around? Why, yes. Over here, you have a birdhouse for tiny birds. Okay? I mean, literally, these trees, they stand pretty tall, if you can imagine. And everyone, especially dogs, are having a good time. Which is what I like to picture it. As you know, you may see some nuts around. Nuts left behind by trees or squirrels. Any one of them. Basically, that's the case. Yeah. The whole row of dogs. As you can see. And pretty much, they have a thing dedicated to dogs. Pretty neat, huh?